Meaning of dandy.
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 Dandy. Dandy can refer to a man who is overly concerned with his appearance, fashion, and manners. It is often associated with elegance, sophistication, and refinement. The term originated in the late 18th century in England and was popularized in the 19th century as a subculture of men who were devoted to fashion and luxury. Dandies were known for their extravagant clothing, elaborate hairstyles, and impeccable grooming habits. Today, the term is often used more broadly to describe anyone who cares deeply about their personal appearance or style.